Here we are, Amsterdam. I am Amsterdam. This is our houseboat. I guess there really are no clear mornings. 2-second tour because we have to head on the train to Efteling, which is also in the Netherlands. It's long, it's big. That door, we go inside. Kate, where are you? So where are you? Spent much time out here, but looks cool. Chairs. Maybe Kate's down in the kitchen. No, can't tell. This outfit is, well, you gotta check it out. Heading to the Amsterdam sign. We gave up on the Heineken experience. It was not an experience that we wanted. Be in the D. Instead I got the T. Alright. Oh, it's high. Now what? We got here. What are we doing? Gonna wander around again. Amsterdam, lots of fun, lots of trouble. I'll definitely be back. Efteling, next. Live on a boat in Amsterdam.